Ideally located on more than 22 peaceful acres with Mount Hood views, you'll find this gorgeous estate. From the captivating custom home to the huge 8-bay shop, this private retreat offers the best in Northwest country living. Heading inside, discover a light and bright interior with 18 skylights, vaulted ceilings, and tranquil views from walls of windows. The gourmet kitchen features a 13-foot-long island with eating bar, professional-grade stainless appliances, custom cabinets, and silestone counters. Entertainers will appreciate the flowing floor plan and thoughtful design, bringing the outside in. You'll find a privately located master suite with vaulted ceilings and Mount Hood views. Unwind in the luxurious spa-like master bath. This home of more than 3,500 square feet includes a second master suite, plus 2 more bedrooms and additional skylights. You'll also find a wine room and extra built-in storage. Connect with nature or friends and family on the large private patio, complete with a koi pond. The 360-degree views include Mount Hood and peekaboo views of Adams, St. Helens and Rainier. The massive shop offers a workshop and storage, but could easily be converted to a barn. It also has space for your boats, RV, and all of your toys. Enjoy extensive outdoor adventures in the Mount Hood National Forest and on the Clackamas River. And it's just 60 minutes to downtown Portland. Casual country elegance in a tranquil setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Kristin Harris with Premier Property Group. To learn about financing options, please contact Julie Farrell with Directors Mortgage.